Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway's 16 by 10 foot by 42 inch power steel pool. This new oval shape takes up less area than a round pool and requires less water. Minimal tool assembly makes this the easy. Added features are rust-resistant metal frames and a flow control drain valve for easy draining. The set also includes a 1,000-gallon filter pump, ladder, pool cover, ground cloth, maintenance kit, advanced repair patch, and instructional DVD. Product benefits: easy setup, flow control connectors for rapid connection, flow control drain valve for easy draining. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.